Hey y'all, it's Brittany. So I have lost 75 pounds over the last 2 years. It'll mark 2 years starting January 11th. That's when I started my fasting journey. I was inspired to do it by Dr. MINDY PELZ with her Fast Like a Girl book. And I started off with her 30-day reset. It did take me a while. I didn't lose that much weight the first 3 months because I was doing shorter fast. But then I discovered ADF, which is alternate day fasting. That's 36 hours of no eating, followed by a 12-hour window of eating. And during that 36 hours, you only drink water. Or if you're dirty fasting, which is what I did most of the time, drink low-calorie drinks and stuff, but you don't eat anything. So from January 2024 to April 2024, I lost about 13 pounds doing the shorter fast. And then from April to June 2024, I lost 20 pounds because of alternate day fasting. So that was the game changer for me. Shout out to Colleen Marie Care. She's the reason why I learned about alternate day fasting. And my wellness journey was prompted because I went to the doctor and she said that I was in the pre-diabetic range. And this wellness journey was not from a place of self-hatred, because I loved my body. I always celebrated it with my fashion content and everything. I was beautiful. That was not the issue. The issue was I went to the doctor and she said I was pre-diabetic. So I loved myself enough to do something about that. Year one was great. It was exciting. That was 2024. That was year one. I lost about 60 pounds. It's 58 pounds by December 31st. Year two was much harder. That was all of 2025. I was triggered a lot by what was going on in our country, and I did start to gain weight back immediately, actually. So I started to gain, I think I gained like 10 pounds in January 2025. I did have some fluctuation there because I was triggered. And I'm going to talk about year two in a long form video on YouTube. So look for that in a few weeks. But something that saved me was my community. So I've been a content creator. It's going to be 13 years this year. And I started off with beauty content. I still do that. Fashion content, I do a lot of that. But a lot of my community has grown with me, and a lot of my community has had like health issues and they struggle with their weight and stuff like that. And so I was struggling to maintain my goals and, reach my goals last year. So I started to do fasting challenges with my community on YouTube and Instagram. And I had my most successful month ever in October 2025. I lost 16 pounds. I was not in the gym though, because I had gotten in a car wreck, so I wasn't in the gym. But I did alternate day fasting and I lost 16 pounds. I'm saying all that to say I'm doing a January fasting challenge. It's going to be January 5th through February 5th. And it's going to be different fasting protocols because not everybody can do 36-hour fast right out the gate. I didn't do that. I didn't do 36-hour fast for the first 3 months of my wellness journey, of my fasting journey. I did shorter fast. So any fasting length that you can do, you can join us. This is more for community support and accountability. And we check in with each other every single day on my YouTube community tab. Just go to my YouTube page and it's there, and we check in every day. We talk about our wins. We talk about if we're struggling or not and where we are with our fasting journey. I have had a lot of success, but it's not just me. Like, it's tons of people. I've had some people say they lost 50 pounds because I started sharing my journey as soon as I started sharing my fasting journey as soon as my pants started to get a little bit loose way back January 2024. Like a few weeks into fasting, my pants started to get loose, and that motivated me to keep going. So there's tons of people who have lost weight with me, and it's just amazing to see that we can do this. I'm going to talk about in a future video when I'm doing an update on, losing 75 pounds. There's a lot of challenges that come with it that I was not expecting. I haven't been this size in close to 10 years, and it feels weird. But I'll elaborate on all that stuff in a future video. But we're going to do a fasting challenge together, January 5th through February 5th. You can choose your fasting protocol. I'm in maintenance, but I'm in maintenance right now. So I don't do 36 hours every other day like I was doing, which was like 3 to 4 times a week. Now I'm just doing 1 to 2 times a week. And then I'll do shorter fasts like 18s and 16s in between. But if you are in the thick of it, you're not struggling with doing the 36 hours, 3 to 4 times a week is, I'm not a medical professional, so I'm just a person sharing their journey. So consult your doctor before doing this. And also, you don't have to do this at all. You can do something else, because fasting isn't the only way to lose weight, but it worked for me. So not medical advice. Okay. You can do 16-8, you can do 18-6, you can do 24, like 20 hours fasted and 4 hours eating window. You can do OMAD. You can do true ADF, which is 36 hours every other day. That is really, really good. It's a sweet spot, because some people do super extended fast, but I feel like 36 hours is the sweet spot, and it's going to get you the results that you're, seeking. And then you can do modified ADF, which is, some people do modified ADF is where they do 36 hours every other day and 500 calories. I've never done that. But modified ADF, to me, like, this is how we say it in my community, is when you fast Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then you have the weekends off. So that's our version of modified ADF. And I also want to emphasize, there are some people that shouldn't do fasting, especially ADF. If you are pregnant, if you are breastfeeding, if you are under 18, and if you have a history of eating disorders, it's not advised that you do fasting. So I wanted to make that clear as well. And you should consult your doctor before attempting to fast. So after I lost about 33 pounds, that is when I was out of the pre-diabetic range, but that changes for everybody. Yeah, I just have a lot to say in that update video, because it's been a whole lot going on. A lot of good and, bad along the way, but mostly good, because, it's been mostly good. But yeah, we're going to do that fasting challenge, and I'm going to be doing, we started the Keep It Moving challenge before we decided to fast together. So with the Keep It Moving challenge, that is when you do at least 30 minutes of activity every single day in a month, whether it's walking. We started off with walking, but then we expanded it to any form of activity, or tennis, weightlifting, Pilates. I do walking, strength training, and Pilates, but mainly strength training. That's what I do. And I wouldn't advise lifting heavy on days that you're fasting, because you could faint, especially if you are new. So you got to kind of figure out what's going to work for your lifestyle and everything. So I'm going to be doing Keep It Moving mainly because in January and February I get depressed because of the weather and, being inside and stuff like that. And I've worked from home for almost 8 years. So I need a reason to get out of bed and, do things. So that's what I'm going to be doing. 30 minutes of activity, at least 30 minutes of activity every single day in the month of January, from January 5th to February 5th. So if you're interested, join me. If you want to know more about my journey with fasting and everything, I do have a 50 pounds down video on my YouTube channel that I recorded October 2024. I am very positive in that video because year one was really great. It was great. But year two, I have different feelings about year two. And a lot of it is external factors, but life is gonna life while you're on your wellness journey. Maybe you lose your job. Maybe the country you live in it's crazy, or you have a family member that dies. It's like a lot of things can happen that can derail your goals and your wellness journey. So I'm probably going to talk about that in my update video. But if you want to, you don't have to join us with this fasting challenge. But it's been life-changing for me, and I wanted to, share that as an option with you guys, because there's several ways to lose weight, and get in a healthier state. You don't have to do fasting, but if you want to try it, it's 30 days, do it with us. Checking in is low stakes, because it's like, I'm not going to come beat you up if you don't do it, but it can be life-changing. You can head over to my YouTube channel. I have a wellness journey playlist over there where I share in like real time my fast and feast diaries, like what I do on my feasting days and what I do on the days I'm fasting to get through it. I have videos of me like crashing out because I'm frustrated with my wellness journey. All of those are in my fast and feast diary. So definitely check those out if you want to see how it's been for me. I hope you guys join us, because it can be really life-changing.